Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel AK Cooks. Hope everybody well. Today I'm cooking lamb keema curry and I hope you like it. It's my version of it. I used to eat a lot when I was a child. So I'm going to share with you. I'm going to show you the ingredient what I'm going to use. That's lamb keema and this half a kg. And this is 2 medium-sized onion fine chopped, and I got about 4 green chili. I didn't cut, so I left it like this. And I got obviously some coriander to finish off, and I got 2 medium-sized tomato. It's a small piece cut, and I got 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. And that's the paste I made earlier in my video I showed you. It's exactly the same one. So I got some green peas, it's frozen and it's very good quality, so make sure you use this nice beautiful quality British ones. And I got 1.5 medium-sized potato, and I cut it small cubes. So it's all done, so I'm gonna start cooking. So I got a pot here, and I just put 3 tablespoons of oil. It's a vegetable oil, and it's heated up now. So I'm just gonna put a pinch of 5 spice, and in Bengali we call Pachfuron. And I'm gonna add some pinch of dry methi in there. And I'm adding the garlic and ginger paste. By the way, it's a medium heat, so I'm going to put it high now. So I'm just going to give it about a couple of seconds. So it's under a minute, so I'm just going to add the onions now. Just going to give it a mix. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt to your taste. So after the salt, I'm gonna mix it properly. So at this point, I'm just gonna leave it. It was in a high heat, so I'm gonna leave it at medium heat for about 7 to 8 minutes. I want to make sure the onion gets soft, but it doesn't get burnt. Between that, I'm gonna check. So I'm gonna put the lid on. So do please check. If it's burning, just put a drop of water. So I'm just going to take the lid off now, and this is, as you can see, probably, can you see, it's after 8 minutes. That should be fine. It's the onions properly caramelized and it's nice. So I'm just going to add the spices. This one is the best one to use for this recipe. I find it very nice taste, flavor, and so this is the spice I'm going to use. And I'm giving this 1.5 teaspoon. It's got all the mix in there. And I'm going to give half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of zira powder and a half a teaspoon of red chili powder. start to smell nice. So I'm gonna put the lid on for just under 1 minute. So this is near enough 1 minute, and I forgot to add the bay leaves before, but I'm adding now. Still is okay. So if you want to add, please make sure add it in the beginning, in the onions, it will be better. And I'm adding half a teaspoon of garam masala. This is my homemade one. It's got everything in there. I will show you next time in my next video how to make it, and it's everything in there. So I'm just gonna add half a cup of water. And put the lid on for a while. So I'm just gonna take the lid off now. Oops, sorry. Just gonna give it a mix, and as you can see, all the spice, everything cooked. Alright. So I'm just gonna add the mixed meat now. Oops. As you can see, it's coming lovely color. So all this time my heat was in the medium heat. So I'm gonna put in a high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes, and I put the lid on now. So I'm just take the lid off now, and as you can see, it looks nice now. Lovely color. Because I'm not adding any water still, because it's the lamb keema with this low oil, so it should be alright. So I'm just going to leave it in a medium heat for another 2 to 3 minutes and put the lids on again. I'm just going to take the lid off now. So I'm just going to add the potatoes. Can you see? So I'm just going to add these now. And give it a mix. So this point my heat, the gas is on the medium heat. So I'm just going to add half a cup of water. So I'm going to put the lid on. So I'm going to leave it for another 8 to 10 minutes, and I'm going to put the gas on high for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to turn to medium heat for another 5 minutes. So I'm just taking the lid off now. That's been 10 minutes, and the potatoes are nearly cooked. So I'm just going to add the rest of the ingredients. So these are the peas I'm going to add now. And the tomatoes. Look at that color. So I'm just going to add another 1 cup. I'm going to get some more water. And give it a good mix. Everything is going to get properly mixed in here. So I just add 1 cup of water in here, and that's it. It's going to reduce more So I'm putting the lid on for another around 12 to 15 minutes, and I'm gonna first 2-minute high heat, then after that I'm gonna keep it in the lid. So I'm just gonna take the lid off and slowly just try to mix. So the potatoes, as you can see, is cooked. The peas still didn't lose the color. That's what you need, and it's lovely, saucy, juicy. So I'm just gonna finish off with the corianders. I'm just gonna put the gas off now, so it's done. I'm gonna plate up. So I just plate up the dish, and it looks wonderful. And sorry about that, the green chili I put when I was putting the peas, so I put it that and I forgot to tell you. So it's just for the flavor there. I don't want too hot in there. So but thank you for watching my channel. Take care, and inshallah I'll see you in my next video. Please do like and comment and subscribe my channel, and assalamu alaikum.